Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, don't forget to follow me, like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support.
Like a lonely man, without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy.
I like to use these brushes to carve out the area that I'm going to cut my crease, because it just makes it easier for me. And I got these on Amazon. There's a pack of 100 for like $7.
Like a lonely man, without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy.
I like to use this micellar water to clean up the fallout I may have underneath my eyes, and sometimes I like to sharpen the cut crease when I like to have that winged out shade.
Like a lonely man, without me,
I'm going to outline my cut crease with my Profusion Bold Liquid Eyeliner.
he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy.
These are by Acacia. Got them on Amazon. I'm just going to take this liquid magnetic eyeliner and I'm going to apply like 2 or 3 coats of that and use my fan to let it dry down, and then I pop my lashes on. I'm going to apply my Maybelline Illegal Lash Mascara to my lower lashes.
You're the one who can make me happy. You know you in love when you come for the sea. Because reality is finally better than dreams.
For the lips, I'm going to use this NYX Powder Puff Crushing and then this MAC lipstick. And then I'm going to line my lips with this dark brown lip liner from Rimmel. And I'm trying to outline my lips because I wanted to make sure that I keep the lipstick in my lip and not on the outside, because I have a hard time with lipstick. Sometimes I would end up with it on the outer side of my lips. So I found me lining my lips like this keeps the lipstick on my actual lip, and I don't really have to clean up around my lips with the Q-tip with makeup remover. I seen somebody else do this and I asked her why, and she told me why, and I tried it and I'm like, oh, okay, it really does make it easier for you to fill your lips in. Even with lip gloss, I trace my lips like I'm doing outline lip liner. Anyway, yeah. And I think it makes my lips look a little bit more fuller, even though they're already full, but yeah. I like to take a brush and just blend it out. My kids are having so much fun right now, but yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my next video. Sorry about my voice isn't all there. My asthma has been really bad this past week, but I appreciate you guys for stopping by to check this video out. Love you guys. Bye.